Using launch control inside of the Ford Mustang is a very straightforward process. This is the GT24 manual transmission. So what you're going to do, hit your little pony icon along the very bottom, go to your track apps. You can go to launch settings directly to enable it, and then you're also going to select whatever you want your launch RPM to be. First few times you use it until you get the hang of it, I'd say 3,000 is a good option. And you can tell that it's enabled now because there's that little rocket ship that's launched there. So that's essentially letting us know we're going to launch. And that's the best way for me to describe it, is it's going to feel like a rocket. So in order to use it inside of the manual transmission, you're going to want to make sure that your clutch is in. Shift yourself into first gear. And then as you start to hit the gas, you'll see there, we're now good to launch. You have to hit that number that you have set here in order to launch. So you're going to go. It's going to maybe take you a little bit to figure out the best RPM that you should go for. And then even the clutch, like how fast or slow should you be pulling off that clutch pedal. But once you find the perfect balance, it is a blast.